At Advanced Leads, we want to create transparency around the actual cost of sending bulk messages, which is why within your Advanced Leads account, we have added a SMS calculator. And so what this actually does is it will help you take the message that you're wanting to send out and determine how many segments are going to be used for that bulk SMS. Cost of the messages are based around total segment sends. And so each segment is equivalent to 160 characters maximum. Now, if you add emojis in there, that's going to change the cost of it. And so the segment calculator will help you determine exactly what that cost is going to look like based on how many contacts you're going to send it to. So let's test this out. So what you can essentially do is type out the message that you want to send in another doc, or you can type it out within the segment calculator. Here, once you have your message, it will actually show you exactly how many segments you're sending. So for this message, I am sending, let's go ahead and put that back. It's saying that I'm using a total of 2 segments. So it's 192 characters, it's 2 segments. So when I look at the actual messaging cost, each segment is billed at a little less than 3 cents per message. Now, this is just an SMS, so there's no image attached to it. And I've also not included any emojis. Now, the emojis are important because they're going to affect how much your actual message costs. So, or how many segments are being used. So as soon as you add an emoji in it, like let's go ahead and add one in here. It's going to increase, even though it looks like it's 1 character, it's going to increase that message significantly and breaking it up into more segments. So that's one really important factor to take into consideration, which is why we've added in the segment calculator so that you can know exactly how many segments you're going to be needing before you send to 100 contacts, 1,000 contacts, 5,000 contacts, and really do the math behind what the cost is going to look like.